Hi, first grade teachers. One of the research-based strategies that you can find in CTLS that you can use in math is called concept attainment. You can use this in order to introduce a unit, conclude a unit, or you can have your students create something like this to check for understanding during the unit. I have one here that I've created in Smart Notebook, and the way it works is you have the yes column and you have a no column, and you could have your students create some cards like this, or they could just create a list of math problems right here and that on a piece of paper that they would just write up here on the paper part of the notebook. But what they would do is they could either do this alone or in pairs and present these to the class. And they would, one at a time, put the cards underneath either the yes column or the no column, and then the rest of the class has to guess what they have in common and what the concept is that they are trying to illustrate. So right now under yes I have 5 plus 5, and then under yes I also have 11 minus 1, and then I also have 20 minus 10. And then over on the no column, I would put 4 plus 4 plus 3, 1 plus 1 plus 9, and 12 minus 4. So then the students who are presenting this would ask the rest of the class, what is this concept that they are trying to illustrate? And hopefully the students would suggest that it was math facts to 10. If they didn't get that, then the students could add some additional problems down here. And if someone did guess that this was the correct math concept, then you could raise the screen and show that yes, it was math facts that equal to 10. So this is just one way that you can use Smart Notebook in your classroom to have students demonstrate their learning for math skills. Thank you very much.